In this video, I will quickly show you how to create a product on Stripe to start receiving payments. First, go to the Stripe website and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, go to the side menu and click the Products option. Next, click the Add Product button to create a new product. Enter the product name and add a description if needed. Then set the product price. You can choose a one-time payment or recurring billing such as monthly or yearly. After that, select the currency and confirm the details. Now click Save Product to finish creating the product. After saving, the product will be available to use in payments, payment links, or subscriptions. Creating products in Stripe helps organize your services and makes billing easier. And that's it. Now you know how to create a product on Stripe easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.